Let's talk about a statistic that should bother you. Why do an estimated 70% of people who start a side hustle quit before they even finish their second month? They start with a burst of energy, a vision of financial freedom, but it quickly fizzles out. The answer is simple, and it's a trap most of us fall into. They chase the wrong things. They get caught on a hamster wheel of low-paying gigs, trying to juggle too many things at once, and they inevitably burn out. They're working harder, not smarter. But what if there was a different way? A smarter playbook designed not for burnout, but for high-impact results. A strategy that focuses on value, not volume. Today we're breaking down 5 proven hustles that, when executed correctly, have the potential to generate $500 a day or more. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about leveraging specific skills in a strategic way. Let's start with number 1. High-ticket freelancing. This is arguably the fastest path to significant income if you have a marketable skill. We're not talking about $20 logo designs. We're talking about premium services for clients who understand the value of quality. The big 3 here are design, development, and copywriting. But here's the key. You can't just be a designer. You need to position yourself as a specialist. Are you a UI/UX designer for fintech startups? A Webflow developer for e-commerce brands? A direct response copywriter for health supplements? Specialization allows you to command higher prices because you're not just a pair of hands, you're a strategic partner who understands a specific industry's problems. The next step is to package your services. Stop trading your time for money. Instead of charging by the hour, you charge per project, based on the value you deliver. For example, a website in a week package for a service business could be $5,000. A brand identity kit, with a logo, style guide, and key assets could be $3,000. So how do you get these clients? Build a simple, clean portfolio that showcases 3 or 5 of your best projects. Don't just show the final product, tell the story. What was the client's problem? What was your process? What were the results? Then, instead of waiting for jobs to come to you, go find them. Engage with potential clients on LinkedIn, Twitter, or in niche communities. Provide value first, then pitch your package solution. Let's do the math. Landing just one $5,000 project a week is $20,000 a month. Even if you land one of those every 2 weeks, you're at $10,000 a month, which averages out to over $300 a day. Secure a couple of those per month, and you're easily clearing the $500 a day mark. The key is to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a business owner who sells valuable solutions. Alright, moving on to hustle number 2, specialized consulting. This is a step up from freelancing. Here, you're not just selling a deliverable, you're selling your expertise, your strategy, and a specific outcome. Think of yourself as a doctor for businesses. They come to you with a problem, and you provide the diagnosis and the cure. Popular niches for consulting include marketing funnels, Instagram ad strategy, SEO for local businesses, or even YouTube channel growth. The secret is to pick a niche where you can deliver a tangible, measurable result. Don't sell social media management. Sell a system to get 3 to 5 new high-quality leads per week using LinkedIn. Don't sell SEO services. Sell a strategy to rank on the first page of Google for your top 3 keywords in 90 days. See the difference? It's all about the outcome. Your main tool here is the discovery call. This is a structured conversation where you diagnose the client's pain points and present your framework as the solution. You're not there to give away free advice. You're there to determine if you're a good fit and to demonstrate the value of your paid engagement. A typical consulting package might be a one-time strategy session and a 30-day implementation plan for $2,500. Just one of those clients a week is $10,000 a month. That's a week's worth of income from a traditional job, secured in a single transaction. The best part? You can often transition these one-time projects into monthly retainers for ongoing support, creating predictable recurring revenue. This leads us perfectly into hustle number 3, paid ads management. So many local businesses, think dentists, plumbers, real estate agents, restaurants, are fantastic at what they do, but they have no idea how to get new customers online. They know they'd be running Facebook or Google ads, but they're terrified of wasting money. That's where you come in. You don't need to be a world-class expert to get started. You just need to be better than them. Your job is to become the go-to person in your local area for running simple, profitable ad campaigns. You'll help them define a clear goal, like getting 10 new appointment bookings a month. You'll build a simple funnel, Maybe an ad that leads to a landing page with a contact form. The pricing structure is beautiful. You charge a monthly retainer fee for your management, say $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Then, you can add a performance fee, like 10% of their ad spend. So, if a client has a $3,000 monthly ad budget and you charge a $1,500 retainer, your total fee is $1,800. Now, let's do that math. Just 3 clients paying you $1,800 a month is $5,400 in monthly revenue. That's $180 a day. Get 5 clients, and you're at $9,000 a month, or $300 a day. And because you're using simple, repeatable systems, you're not starting from scratch with each client. You're delivering immense value, generating leads for them, and building a stable, scalable business for yourself. Hustle number 4 is for those who want to build a brand. E-commerce with fast-turn products. I'm not talking about drop-shipping random junk from overseas with 60-day shipping times. I'm talking about building a real brand around a curated selection of products that you control. The key is fast turn. This means small, lightweight products that are easy to store and ship. The criteria are simple. Find a product with a passionate audience, something you can source for, say, $10 and sell for $40 or $50. That gives you a high margin to work with. Think niche jewelry, specialty coffee, pet accessories, or eco-friendly home goods. Start small. You don't need a giant warehouse. You can start with a small inventory of just 50 or 100 units that fits in a closet. You set up a simple Shopify store, take beautiful product photos, and write compelling descriptions. Then, you use the skills from our last hustle, paid ads, to drive targeted traffic. You start with a small daily budget on Instagram or TikTok, testing your creative and your audience. When you find a winning combination, you scale the ad spend. The math here is about volume and margin. If your profit per unit, after product cost and shipping is $30, you only need to sell about 17 units a day to hit that $500 daily profit mark. At first, that sounds like a lot, but with a great product and a dialed-in ad campaign, selling 20, 30, or even 50 units a day is entirely achievable. This model requires more upfront work and some capital for inventory, but the scaling potential is enormous. Finally, we have hustle number 5, the course plus coaching combo. This is the ultimate leverage model. You take a skill you have, something you could teach someone else, and you package it into a digital product. This could be anything from learning how to use a specific software, to baking sourdough bread, to personal finance, for millennials. You create a signature online course that guides a student from A to Z. You outline the transformation, record the lessons using simple tools like a good webcam and microphone, and host it on a platform like Teachable or Kajabi. You can sell this course for anywhere from $200 to $1,000, depending on the value and depth of the content. This is your scalable product. You build it once, and you can sell it thousands of times. But here's where the magic happens. You add a high-ticket coaching upsell. For students who want more personalized help, you offer a premium package that includes the course plus, for example, 4 one-on-one coaching calls with you. You can charge $1,500 or $2,500 for this combo. This creates a value ladder. Some people will just buy the course, which is great passive income, but your most motivated students will invest in your time, dramatically increasing your revenue per customer. Let's look at the numbers. If you sell a $300 course to just 10 people a week, that's $3,000. Then, if just one of those people upgrades to your $1,500 coaching package, that's another $1,500. Your total for the week is $4,500, averaging over $640 a day. You're leveraging a scalable product while still offering a high-touch, high-ticket service, so there you have it. 5 distinct high-leverage playbooks: high-ticket freelancing, specialized consulting, paid ads management, fast-turn e-commerce, and the Course Plus coaching model. The noise of the internet will tell you to do all of them. That is the path to burnout. The smarter playbook is to pick one, just one. Which one aligns best with your current skills and interests? Which one gets you genuinely excited? Choose that one, and commit to it with intense focus for the next 30 days. Don't get distracted. Don't look at the other 4. Your goal in those 30 days is not to be perfect. It's to get your first win, your first client, your first sale, your first student. Once you have that data point, you can analyze what worked and what didn't. Then you iterate. You improve your offer, refine your process, and go again. This is how real, sustainable side hustles are built. Not by chasing everything, but by mastering one thing. Ready to start? To help you take action, I've put together a set of starter templates and a detailed 30-day action plan for each of these 5 hustles. If you want to get your hands on them, just subscribe to the channel and check the link in the description below. Now, pick your path, and let's get to work.